even good idea.
What good idea? I think we are enjoying it in the morning time.
But I want to take some umbrella. I forgot in home.
Yeah, we forgot it. Okay, don't worry. You sit there.
But we don't have any idea for it. I'm thinking about idea.
You're thinking about idea? I think you checked there is a very good weather here. Huh? Raining and we are sitting under umbrella.
Under the tree, not
Under
umbrella.
the tree. Like it's work like umbrella.
No, but all the rain comes. That's got very big rain.
Yeah, it's heavy rain.
Yeah, heavy rain. Whoa, go! Clouds are going. Look there. I can see the sky blue.
Wow, yeah. Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, sit down. Now let's play with books.
Now I want to think an idea for this heavy rain can't stop. I think so something. And here big a bubble. And he always has got a bubbles, Daddy.
For rain bubbles?
Bubbles.
Yeah.
Lovely bubbles. Here. Funnier. Daddy.
Check. Oh, rain is gone.
Oh, look a bubble! Here it's got.
These are the books.
These are books to read for
ABC.
lunch.
We came here for Sunday enjoyment.
And
So-
look, a funny rabbit. Just
yeah,
go to
so
bed.
make some storybooks.
Look, it's got
Unfortunately, we have
Starbucks.
raining here. So
Yeah. Look,
Fatma have a very good idea.
Hania has got a very.
She decided to sit under the tree and enjoy the raining.
Look,
So we are here. This is our water bottle.
and look everyone, Hania's school book, Sikara school, but she's not reading Sikara.
Yeah.
I got C and it's, look,
Oh, what is this?
let's open it.
Oh, it's empty. It's just like a fun.
Huh, that is a school to tell our got a trip.
You sit there. You make your seat very good. Some leaves are there.
I got a very evenest idea.
What?
We have to take some leaves and make an umbrella of them. And I take that thing and I got it, that thing, and Daddy will do it. Like close it, that umbrella will made it. I want to find some stick for made a leaves umbrella.
Wow. Okay, bye bye. Now we are making
Baking on.
some.
We want to go at parks, place. So you also go in rain. That's fun.
Okay, now we are
We-
going for fun.
We
Say
are
goodbye
all-
to everyone. Bye bye.
First, listen to me. We are wet. We are feeling cold, Daddy.
Oh.